Hello guys, my name is Bishop and I am the admin of Forex Lovers 2. I want to take this a moment to point out how to identify MO formation and W formation, and also show you small w inside big W and small m inside big M. So the indicators for you to use to identify your MO formation is your fractals indicator, which is number one. Your fractals indicators helps you to identify it, and your moving average in the diversion indicators window also helps you to identify your W and MO formation. So let me draw it out for you. When if you come to your diversion indicator, your RSI 13, you have your MO W formation here. This is W formation, and this is MO formation. It has already been completed on this one. This is exactly MO formation. So when you see something like this, you know that yes, we are going down. It is MO formation. We are going to draw MO formation and have our take profit exactly where it ends. It started from here, then it draws up, give you one, give you two, give you three, and drop here. You make your entry from here. Your take profit will be exactly from where it started. That will be your take profit exactly from where it started. So when you see something like this, this is the MO formation. Your stop loss will be 20 pips above your entry point. That will be your stop loss. So make sure you have your stop loss. But when you see something like this, you have it in your mind that from here to here is your profit. So from here to here is your profit. Make sure you add your take profit. That means telling you where we are going. When you can identify this, you are a forex guru. You are a robot of your own, like I normally call my students, a robot of your own. So this is how to understand this formation. Now if you look at here, this is a W formation. From here you will know how W formation looks like. You know how to write your W. So once you see this is one here, we have two in the center, and we have three here. That is W, and this is where our W started. It started from here. That is where it started. So you set your take profit on your moving average. You set it on your moving average. Since there is a moving average on top of here, you set it on your moving average. But since there is no moving average on the bottom here, you set it here. There is nothing will stop it from not getting here. For those of you that will wake up early in this morning to see this, you can take this opportunity and make long profit. So this is how to identify it. The W formation start from here, it drops, it goes up, it drops, and boom. So you make an entry at the end of the candlestick that forms the W formation. Let's assume you make an entry here going up, then you know for sure that your take profit is gonna be here. So you have a whole lot of assurance that is gonna get you what you need, and your stop loss will be under it. So this is how to identify your MO and W formation on a chart. If you can identify this, you are a forex guru. So now this is another one here. You have a small W formation. This is a small W formation here. This is a small W formation. You can count it to 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3 is your W formation. You see something like this, you know, yes, we have formed something nice. We have formed something writable. But inside, since this is a small W, that means there is a big. Since this is a small m, that means there is a big M, and the M actually started from here, the big one. It drops, it goes, and now drop. This is your take home profit. You don't exceed your moving average. You don't exceed your moving average. And the only reason why the chart bounces the moving average is because of the moving average 10 here that stand as a resistance here and now causes it to drop down. So when you see this, you know that your W formation been achieved has been achieved. In big W that is here, we have your 1 and you have your 2 and you have your 3. You have your 3, it draws down for you. You know where to enter and you know where to take out. You know where to enter, you know where to take out. You are no more gambling your money, but you are just simply taking free money. Simply taking free money because you know what you're doing. Now look at here again. This is another formation. We have two small MO formation. Inside big one, we have from here. This is MO formation, and we have another formation here. These are two small MO formation inside big formation. Inside big MO formation. So this is the big one here. This is the big one. So your profit taking is where it's started. That is where you end it, where it started. So assuming you saw this and you had an opportunity, you make your entry. You make your entry and you will be in profit. You make your entry and you will be in profit. So this is how to identify a move formation in your chart. You can see this one here. That is a move formation for you. Nice a move formation forming on the top of 90 level 90 level. So that is where you will find this one. And we have a diversion movement on our TDI telling us that the indicators, the candlestick will soon be going down. Candlestick will soon be going down. It's going down here, but it's going up here. So that is our diversion. And as we are still seeing our diversion, we know yes, we are expecting something nice. So if you can draw out this W formation, you have a market entry every blessed day because you will see it appears every day. It appears every day. This one here is W. This one here is W. You see something like this, it appears for you. You see, let's count it. You need to learn how to count it. You see the sign, the fractals indicators appear 1, it appears here again 2, it appears here again 3. That is W for you. That is W for you. After the closing of the candlestick, you have your entry. You have your entry. Be rest assured that this is your profit. It's 100% going to give you this profit. It's 100% going to give you that profit. It is always going to form it completely. So it helps you to know where to enter and where to get out. Where to enter and where to get out. This is called V formation, which is not really necessary. Which is not really necessary because you won't be needing it once your formation is not complete. Even inside it, you can still find our MO formation, which is down here and went up again and dropped down. But that is not what we are looking at. You don't need to take from that formation because once you are seeing this V, you don't know whether it's going to form MO for you. Do you understand? So you have to wait to see the end of it so that you will know this is what I am looking at. For you not to make an entry here expecting it to form a V, then it will just bounce down for you giving you a huge losses. So you wait until you see your MO and W formation so that you will know where you will enter your trade and where you will get out from your trade. So if you look at here too, we have W formation here. We have, this is small W formation that is here, which ended here. Then we have another big W formation which started here, drops down, it goes up, drops down again, and it goes up. Do you see that? That is big W formation. Big W formation. You have a small one here, and you have a big one here, and probably going to end on our level 90. So if we are to drag our line, you see that it ended on level 90. That is exactly where it ended. Starting here, comes up here, and end on our level 90. So this is your small one, this is your big one. This 20 pips below is your stop loss. So once you see it, you know that you are going for a long run. You know that you are going for a long run on your candlestick. This is how to identify it. If you can identify it, you are a Forex guru. You are a Forex guru. This here, you are a Forex guru. If you come here now, we have another formation. We have another formation. This is shoulder, this is head, and this is shoulder. That is the formation we have here. This is shoulder. We have another formation here. We have shoulder, head, and shoulder. So we have our shoulder, our head, and our shoulder. And inside that shoulder, head, shoulder formation, there are W's. There are tiny W's which we can also use to make profit. There are tiny W's. There is 1, 2, 3. That is W for you. It started from here, so it ends where it started. That is W for you inside that big head and shoulder formation. Inside that big head and shoulder formation. So you also have your head and shoulder formation. Head and shoulder formation. From there, you can also pick out W formation. 1, 2, 3. It ends for you. You'll be taking your profit as you keep understanding and figuring it out for you. So after the end of the head and shoulder formation, after the end complete formation of shoulder and head, we also have a big drop. This is it. It goes up here and it goes up, forms another one. We have a big drop that it will end, on the moving average. That will end on the moving average or end where it started. So if you can all be able to point them out, you have your entry here, then you are on a long run. You are on a long run. It helps you to stay in the market for longer and make more huge profit in your market. So if you can able to understand it, there is no fear in your trading. Just like this early morning setup where we are forming WMO formation here. So since I know how it forms, I've made my entry. I supposed to make it on top of here, but I didn't see this. I didn't see the last one formed. So if I have made this one, I'll probably close it here. I'll probably close it there because I don't know what I'm seeing. until I understand what I am saying, which is formation. Now I'm going to set my take profit here. It's not a magic. That is where it will end. Come rain, come sun, it must end on that line. Nothing will stop it. Devil himself cannot stop it. So when you can see this, you know, yes, you are going for a long run, and you will have confidence that it is not going to hit on loss for you. It's never going to hit on loss for you, but to keep dropping down. Ask me how I know. This is how I know. So thank you guys, and I pray that you guys will be able to figure it out. It's on your chart. It's there looking at you. It's just that you have not been able to understand it or point it out. So if you can point it out, you are in a good side of forex trading, knowing what the market will do before it does it, knowing it, predicting the future of the market, predicting the future of the market. That is what we use to predict the future of the market, understanding your formation. And it is the same thing in every chart, in every currency pairs. If you can understand this, you will be on profit. You will be on profit in every chart, in every currency pairs. This is how it is. So thank you for watching, but I prefer using boom and crash to identify my own, because they are the one that gives me clear identification. And when it draws beautifully. It draws beautifully with no noise, no distraction. So I wish you all best luck as you work on this. Thank you very much. Thank you. I appreciate your audience. My name is Bishop, the admin of Forex Lover 2, and that is Telegram group Forex Lover 2. Thank you. This will be the end of this